What's up you guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be mounting the front bumper of the 326 kit on top of the 240. Hopefully this will be the easiest part about it because there's only those two bolts that hold the sides together. It is a replica kit. As you guys know, it's a JP fiberglass kit. Everything fit okay up until now. Actually, the passenger side skirt fit almost perfect. There was hardly any adjustments to be made. The back bumper, we do need to extend that, as you guys saw in the last video. And the worst part so far has been the driver's side skirt. That part had to be extended in two places. We haven't done any fiberglassing yet just because we want to make sure that the front bumper fits, that there's no adjustments to be made on that before we go ahead and work on those pieces. So I feel like what we paid to what we got was a really good deal. I mean, we don't have thousands of dollars right now to be going out and getting authentic kits at the moment, just because Blaine's the only one that's working. He pays for this house, he pays for all the bills and all of that. I stay at home with Kaylee, so we live within our means and we make it work. That's what we're about. And Diamonds on a Budget Garage, we're showing you guys that you can do all this work on your cars on your budget. You know, you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to have a really nice car. So that's what we're trying to show you guys here, and I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. So let's go ahead and start mounting this bumper on. To let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by our friends at Lasfit. They went ahead and sent some more goodies for the 240. So as soon as the sun goes down, we're gonna go ahead and install these just so that way you guys can get the full effect. They look so good on the Z, so I'm pretty sure they'll look just as good on the 240. We didn't really test fit it that good, but it should line up. We're also gonna see if we could somehow use these metal brackets on top of the new bumper, just so that way it has a little bit more support. So I'm gonna remove this and see if there's some way that we can mount these on. So these brackets are just a little bit too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and grind down the sides. So there's a bunch of fiberglass in the corner and it's making this bracket stick out at the end. So I'm gonna use this Dremel and see if I can cut away at it a little bit so it'll sit a little bit more flush.
Okay guys, so what we did was we took out the plastic insert that the screw bolts up to. That's in the fender itself, which goes inside here. We took it out. That way we can expose the hole. We line up the bumper where we need it to be. We took a marker, we colored the inside, and now we're left where the hole should be. Alright guys, if you guys can see, we have the two rivets sticking out of the bumper right here. That's because we're using the OEM tab reinforcement to bolt up this fiberglass bumper to hopefully keep it shape. So we didn't want to break through the fiberglass, so what we did was we halfway tightened it until it was snug, and now we're going to cut it off with the grinder.
Alright guys, so just like the other side, we went ahead and put the brackets back on and riveted one of them over here. We couldn't figure out the front hole, so that one doesn't have anything, but it seems to mount up pretty well. And we got the screws on in the front and the back, and I'd say it fits pretty good. It's not perfect, it sticks out just a little bit over here, but we can go ahead and fix that later. We're putting on the headlights just to make sure that the bumper fits with them on still yet. Oh, it fits. Yeah. We got the front bumper done, bolted up, and we started to bolt up the back bumper, but we didn't get to the rest of it. I say that the car is starting to look very good. I love the kit so far. The back bumper is my favorite. And also our friends over at Lasfit went ahead and sent us some goodies for the 240. So in the first package, they have some reverse LEDs. We're gonna go ahead and install these. And they also sent over some smaller LEDs for the license plate. But we just mounted this bumper and I saw that there's no place for the bulbs underneath here. We're gonna have to transfer them from the OEM ones. So once I transfer all the OEM parts, I'm gonna go ahead and install these. But for today, we're just gonna go ahead and install the reverse LEDs. Alright guys, so these are the Lasfit ones and these are the stock ones. They just look a lot cleaner when they're white, so I prefer these ones a lot better than those. So these are both of the reverse lights and it looks so much cleaner when it's white compared to that dull yellowish color. So I like these a lot better, and they also sent another box, so let's go ahead and install those as well. So these are going to be some LEDs for the headlights. I know one of the headlights is out, so whichever one is out, we're going to go ahead and install this one first and see how it looks. Let's see. So passenger side it is. Can you do me a favor? Can you go inside the car? Over here. Yeah. So, go inside. And then when I tell you to turn it on, you go like this. 2 times, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Ooh, the fog lights are on too. This looks so much better. I don't know if those side markers over there are stock, because those came just like that and we didn't change the bulb or anything, and they match the new LEDs perfectly. And see, even on the other side it has a white light in it, so I don't know if those are new or not, but they match so good with the new LEDs. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw on the other side. Can you turn the lights off, please? Thank you. You wanna help me? Okay, so thank you. Okay. Okay, baby, can you go and turn it on? Whoa. It looks so good. What do you think?
Whoa.
What do you think?
I think it's good.
You think it's good?
Yeah.
Do you like these ones better or you like the other ones?
I like these ones.
You like these ones?
Yeah.
They look cool, yeah? Alright, you guys, so these are the new LEDs inside the car. Looks so good. I like the white bulbs way better than those old factory stock ones that was in it before. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to go ahead and cop these LEDs, you guys can do so in the description below. There's gonna be some links. And also, if you guys want, we can use our discount code. It's gonna be right over here, and I'll also have it in the description below. But thank you guys so much for watching, so much for rocking with us, for all your guys' support. We appreciate you so much. Thank you for 7,000, you guys. We made it. This is such a big milestone for us, and I hope you guys are along for the journey. The 240 is starting to come along, so stay tuned for all the videos. And there's also some more Z videos that are on its way, so we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.